So today we will start the distance of a point from the line, from the plane. Distance of a point, say x1, y1, z1, from the plane x plus dy plus cj plus b equals to 0. Means there is a plane here. This equation is x plus dy plus cj plus b equals to 0, and the point is here x1, y1, z1. You want to find this distance. So a short question comes on this. So d equals to x, y, z replaced by x1, y1, z1. So ax1, by1, cz1 plus d divided by root over of a square plus b square plus c square, square root of this. Since the distance cannot be negative, we will take a modulus here. This point you can write here. So it is a 1 mark question. Look at here. Suppose you have a question, find the distance of the point 2, 3, minus 1 from the plane r dot 3i plus j minus 2k equals to 5. So what you do is convert it to Cartesian form. The Cartesian means 3x plus y minus 2z, make right side 0, minus 5 equals to 0. So this is your plane now. 3x plus y minus 2z minus 5 equals to 0. This is the point P, that is 2, 3, minus 1. This distance you will find x, y, z replaced by 2, 3, minus 1. So D will be 3 into 2 plus 3 minus 2 into minus 1 minus 5 divided by a square plus b square plus c square, means 3 square plus 1 square minus 2 square root over. Then you put a modulus side. Okay. Then it is 6 plus 3 plus 2 minus 5 by 9 plus 1, 10, 14. Modulus. So 6 plus 5 minus 5 का cancel. So 6 by root over of 14. So some questions are there. Try to solve. So now the syllabus is covered because angle between two planes is now not in the syllabus. Angle between line and plane is not in the syllabus. So you go to page number 498, 497, miscellaneous exercise. So in the miscellaneous you see Pace it is 497. Miscellaneous का exercise. Okay. Question number 1. So that the line joining the origin to the point is perpendicular to the line, determine the points. This is very simple. Question number 1. So that the origin line joining origin to the point 211 is perpendicular to the line determined by the points 3, 5, 1, 4, 3, -1. Origin, suppose this is origin 0, 0, 0. This is suppose O. Point is 2, 1, 1. This is the point A, this is D, this is suppose B. 3, 5, -1. 4, 3, -1. 4, 3, -1. So this line is perpendicular to AB line. So what is the formula, if you remember? In terms of direction ratios, OD perpendicular AB. What is the formula? A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2 equals to 0. So A1, B1, C1 is the DR of OD. So write down DR of OD, that is A1, B1, C1. Formula is x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. ये formula. So 2 minus 0, 2 minus 0, 1 minus 0, 1 minus 0. Okay, so 2 is to 1 is to 1. You got which one? A1, B1, C1. Now you get A2, B2, C2. DR of AB line. A2, B2, C2. How to find AB line? 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3. 3 minus 5. Minus 1. Minus minus plus 1. How much? That is 2, 1 is to minus 2 is to 0. So now find out what is A1, A2. Therefore, A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2. Let's check with the 0 not. 2 into 1 plus 1 into minus 2 plus 1 into 0. So what did you get? 2 minus 2 plus 0. That means 0. Hence perpendicular. Okay. Then question number 2 will not be in our syllabus, related to angles between two lines. Question number 3 is not in the syllabus because this is also a relation between angle between two planes. Planes and lines both are not there. Question number 4, find equation of the line parallel to x-axis passing through origin. Look, question number 4, find the equation of the line parallel to x-axis and passing through origin. Okay, I'd like to remind you, the line passing through origin means 0, 0, 0. This is called x1, y1, z1. This is your r vector. The line is determined if you have a parallel vector b. You should have a parallel vector b. How to find b? Now this is parallel to x-axis. OX, x-axis. You want to find equation of this line where the point is given. You need a parallel vector because your formula is r is a plus lambda b. This formula point parallel vector. The point given parallel vector b is not given, but you are given parallel to x-axis. Now can you tell me what is dr of x-axis? Already I have told you. Dr of x-axis, that is 1, 0, 0. Okay, so that means you are going to get b vector equals to I plus 0j plus 0k. A vector, that is the point 0, 0, 0. So 0i, 0j, 0k. So therefore r equals to a plus lambda b. Okay, then how will you write? That is r equals to 0i, 0j, 0k plus lambda times I plus 0j plus 0k. Now if you want to find its Cartesian form. What is Cartesian form? X minus x1 by b1, y minus y1 by b2, z minus z1 by b3. b1, b2, b3 comes from your parallel vector, that is 1, 0, 0. x1, y1, z1 is the point, comes from a vector, that is 0, 0, 0. So this is x minus 0 by 1, y minus 0 by 0, z minus 0 by 0. This was, it comes as a short question. Okay, now find the angle between line ABCD. Question number 5 is not in the syllabus. Question number 6 you can do. Question number 6 is they are perpendicular to each other. Find the value of k. 6 you see now. 6 is if the lines x minus 1 by minus 3, y minus 2 by 2k, z minus 3 by 2, and x minus 1 by 3k, y minus 1 by 1, z minus 6 by minus 5 are perpendicular to each other, then find the value of k. Okay, see what you have to check here. This represents your b1 vector, this represents your b2 vector. So what is your solution? Lines are perpendicular if b1 dot b2 vector equals to 0. b1 vector will come from here, b2 vector will come from here, provided this is in the standard form. Standard form means x, y, z ka coefficient should be 1 and positive. It is already there. So directly you can write b1 vector equals to minus 3i plus 2k plus 2k vector. From here you got, check the second line. ये भी standard form. This is also in the standard form. So this is your b2 vector. b2 vector will be 3ki plus j minus 5k. So implies b1 dot b2 equals to 0 minus 3i plus 2kj plus 2k. This is unit vector k, this is k, you have to find out different. Dot 3ki plus j minus 5k equals to 0. So multiplication I and I, j and j, k and k. This already have discussed. So that is minus 3 into 3k plus 2k into 1 plus 2 into minus 5 equals to 0. How much you got? Minus 9k plus 2k minus 10 equals to 0. Minus 7k equals to 10. K is equal to 10 by minus 7. Okay, simple question. More questions are there. Find vector equation of the line passing through a point and perpendicular to the plane. Here the question starts now. Question number 7. So very important question now. Question number 7 is find the vector equation of the line. Find the vector equation of the line passing through the point 1, 2, 3. n is perpendicular to the plane r dot I plus 2j minus 5k plus 9 equals to 0. Here you need your concept to be clear. So when you talk about a line, you should have a line means r vector passing through a point that is 1, 2, 3, and it should have a parallel vector b. This b is not given. The b is given, you can write r is equal to a plus lambda b. Instead of b, what is given? This line is perpendicular to a plane. Line is perpendicular to a plane. So when you talk about a line, you should know its parallel vector. When you talk about a plane, you should know its normal. Now look at here. To this plane, we have a normal like this. If this is the plane, then this is the normal. Normal is perpendicular to the plane. The plane is perpendicular to the line. So now you will have a comparison between B and A. So that is our question. So now look at here. B vector equals to B1i, B2j, B3k, which one? This one. Normal to the plane. Normal to the plane. Remember, this is your n vector. R dot n plus d equals to 0. So normal to the plane n equals to I plus 2j minus 5k. So compare b and n. What is the relation of they are parallel? Means b vector is parallel to n vector. This is a line, this is also a line. Normal is a line, b is a line. So when two lines are parallel, what was the formula? If you remember, a1 by a2, b1 by b2 equals to c1 by c2. ये formula था, but here a1 b1 c1 means b1 b2 b3. What is a2 b2 c2? Now 1 2 minus 5 means only coefficients you have to take. What is coefficient of b line? b1 by 1, b2 by 2, b3 by minus 5. Because when they are parallel, this is the relation. Suppose equals to lambda, means you got b1 equals to 1 lambda, b2 equals to 2 lambda, b3 equals to minus 5 lambda. That means you got b vector. Therefore b vector equals to lambda is there. You can take out lambda here. I plus 2j minus 5k. What is the point? Point is 1 2 3. That gives you a vector. That gives you a vector or not? What is that? I 2j 3k. So r equals to a plus lambda b. I plus 2j plus 3k Lambda b already I got. B means lambda is a scalar, so this makes no difference here. Only lambda times you can write this one, because scalar into scalar will be another scalar. So that is I plus 2j minus 5k. This is vector form. What is Cartesian form? Now you are asked vector form, so this is your answer. Okay. Now find equation of the plane passing through point parallel to a plane. Look at how the questions are varying now. Find the equation of the plane passing through ABC point and parallel to the plane R dot I plus j plus k equals to 2. Okay, now listen. What you need here is, you want to find equation of a plane passing through a point, that is ABC, and it should have a normal. This is important for us. A vector should be there. If you write a vector form, that is R minus a vector dot n, and also you can write this one equals to 0. This is the vector form I have told you. R minus a means this point ai plus bj plus ck, n means this one. Got my point? This n is not given, but you are given this required plane is parallel to this plane, parallel to R dot I plus j plus k equals to 2. Every plane you should sort out its normal. If this is the normal, this plane also has a normal. N vector. Which one? The I plus j plus k. I plus j plus k. See, if I rob everything, then it will be clear for you. Now compare what is the relation between n and n. The relation is n vector is parallel to n vector. So when two vectors are parallel, you can write n is equal to lambda times n. When two vectors are parallel, you can write like this. That means you got n vector equals to lambda times I plus j plus k. That means you got this one. You got n now. Every time you can remember, when you compare a plane, you have to compare the normals. So here you find a plane ko a normal, this plane ko this is normal. Relation between them is parallel. So one is lambda times the other. So what shall I write now? This is the required a point. What is a point for us? ai bj ck. Okay. Then you will find what is vector form. R minus a vector dot n equals to 0. R minus ai bj ck dot n vector lambda times I plus j plus k equals to, since lambda is a scalar, we can remove it, we can divide it also. So you can write r minus ai plus bj plus ck dot I plus j plus k equals to 0 by lambda, that is 0. Okay, this became your vector form. If you write Cartesian form, so Cartesian form is x minus x1 into a, y minus y1 into b, z minus z1 into c equals to 0. I like to remind you, x1, y1, z1 is the point. Point means ABC here. ABC is the normal. ये normal का coefficient क्या है? 1, 1, 1. Here A is 1, B is 1, C is 1. Here x1 is A, y1 is B, z1 is C. So you can write x minus A into 1, y minus b into 1, z minus c into 1 equals to 0. Means x minus a, y minus b, z minus c equals to 0. Implies x plus y plus z equals to a plus b plus c. If your concept is clear, the questions are not difficult for you. Okay, question number 9, shortest distance. This already I have discussed with you. Okay, so 10, 11, 12, 13. This will start tomorrow.